So recently you might be seeing some Instagram reels or YouTube shorts regarding this black screen motivational course video and motion graphics. So you won't believe me if I told you that you can make these type of reels or videos in Canva for absolutely free and without knowing any type of animation skills. So let's start with it. So today's video will be regarding that, and I will explain to you every step in detail so that you can make your own videos like this. So let's start with it. So I will go to video here, and here I will write Instagram post video. Okay, and I will choose this square format so that I can explain to you in a better way, because normally you need Instagram Reels format or Shorts format, which is 1080 cross 1920, which is the dimension, or if you want it in 720p you can also do that. So let's start with it. So first I will choose the background as black color. Of course you know it very well. So let's start with it with the first step, which is a growth mindset or a growth video which I want to make it here. And for that I will write here bouncing ball, and make sure you just click it in here and just scroll down to find animation and click on animated. Okay, and go to graphics, and here you can find many such graphics which you can use, and let's click on this one. And as you can see, it's motion graphics of climbing ball, and let's use it here in the middle, and let's use a quote to make this look very much prominent. Okay, so this is the quote which I will be using: failures are the stairs we climb to reach success. So I will write it here, add a subheading, and write in here failures are the stairs we climb to reach success. We climb to reach success. Okay, so this is the quote, and I will put it in here, and after that let's decrease the size to 36. Okay, so it looks better, and just increase this animation size so that you can explain it in a better way. Okay, now we need to highlight some parts of the text so that it looks better. Okay, so I will highlight the failure here with this yellow color and the success, so that we can highlight both the positive and the negative word in this motivation quote. Means failures are the stairs we climb to reach success. So both are highlighted, and this is the first work or the first video which you can make. Let's move to this video number 2. So for the second one we'll make the same background color, and this time we'll go to elements, and here I will choose blue fire, and again I will go to graphics, and as you can see blue fire icon here, and as you can see it is also free to use. The last one which I showed in here is also free to use, as you can see here. Okay, so next here I will add this blue fire. Okay, and after that I will just go to text, go to add a subheading, and write in here motivation, and place it right here, and decrease the size to 36. Okay, and just put it in here so that it becomes middle, and after that I will just duplicate it and bring it here, and this time I will write discipline and make the fire size the same and bring it in the middle. Okay, and just decrease both the fire size for the first one. Okay, let's see if it is in the middle. Now make this one in the middle too. Okay, and after that I will go to quotations for this one also, and this is as you can see I will use this quotation: motivation gets you going but discipline keeps you growing. Okay, and I will use the same text size, so I will just bring it here. Keeps you going but discipline keeps you growing. Okay, so I will make it in 2 lines. Okay, and after that I will just paste it here. Again I will highlight the motivation part and the discipline part. Okay, and after that here I have to work on some effects, so I will just duplicate the page. Okay, and after that here I will change the discipline fire just bigger, and I will duplicate it again and make the fire more bigger. Okay, and just middle it, and in the same thing you will do in the second slide. Okay, and after that just go to transitions, add transition and click on match and move, and in the second one also follow the same so that the transition is the same for all the images. Now I will go to edit timing and click on 2 seconds and click on apply to all 3 pages. Now let's see the transition, how it looks like. Okay, so this is the second video which you can try for your reels or YouTube shorts. Okay, so it's time for video number 3 or the motion graphics number 3. So you know the first step here, which is making the background as black color. Now I'll write in here exercise. Okay, and go to graphics and just click in here for animated, and as you can see many animations are coming in here, and I will use this one, so I will just click on it and click on view collection, and as you can see many collections are visible here, and you can add any type of animation. So for the first one I will be using this one. Make it a bit smaller. For the second page I will make this one. Okay, and I will just cut it and click on duplicate page, and here I will use it. Okay, and I will just cut the other person, and again on duplicate page I will add another icon, which is this one, and paste it right here. Okay, so the exercise motivation quote which I will be using is this one. The pain you feel today is the strength you feel tomorrow. So I will go to the first slide, and in here I will go to text, add a subheading, and here I will write the pain you feel today, and I will make it on 2 lines, and here I will write continuation 3 dots so that people can understand that there is a continuation text will be following. Okay, so this is the first one, and let's duplicate it, cut it, and paste it in the second page. And here I will write is the strength you feel tomorrow. So this is continued from the last slide, so I will put the continuation text here, and here I will write, highlight the today part, and in the second page you will highlight the tomorrow part. In the third page, so when you make this type of text images, make sure the text part is aligned. So for that you will go to Shift plus R to activate the rulers page in here, and I will just put the first ruler in this so that I can just track it in here. So this is in 176, so I will put the same here as 176. Okay, and I will follow the same. Here I will write in the third page is keep growing. Okay, and I will just paste it here. So the text looks like this, and I will add some transitions in here. Let's see which one looks good. So this flow looks good in here. Again I will just decrease the size of the video to 2 seconds and keep on apply to all pages. So let's see if it is working or not. So it is working fine. So this is the third video which you can work and make your videos a great motivational quotes video or motion graphics video like this. So hope you learned something out of it, and you don't need any type of animation knowledge or any type of knowledge about animation course to make this type of video. So hope you like this tutorial and you learned something out of it. So please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you.